Hello guys, here we have a new turntable from the Danish company Argon Audio. This is TT-4 Turntable, the name. I'm gonna do the presentation here to check it, turntable. I have just cut the tape. So here we have the manual. We have two Allen keys inside this bag. Argon Audio is the company, TT-4 is the name of the turntable. So let's discover it together. It comes with a dust cover included. Here we have the dust cover. And then we have the mat that we put on the platter, different compartment. And then let's go closer. And then we have different accessories, some accessories for the installation. So it's the power supply, which is external. Then we have an adapter for UK plugs. It's what else we have here? We have it comes with cables. Let's check the cables that this turntable comes with. Have this cable, RCA, plus ground, separate cable for the ground. And now we have to remove the turntable from the box. So here we are. Here we have the cartridge, the counterweight and the installation for the dust cover. And this is inside this box is this aluminum platter, which is quite heavy. The price of the turntable is 650 euros, if I'm right. And this is the platter, which is very nice and very heavy for the purpose. Already the belt is there, as you can see, black finish on the top. So here we have the turntable. I'm gonna do the installation. It's easy. The arm from carbon fiber material. You see, you can add the cartridge like this. I will show it later. So this TT-4 turntable comes in different finishes. We have the white one with us today. You see how well is covered. Skating included, so it looks very good so far. Nice. We see here the shaft. Very nice design. And here we have the motor, and it's automatic. I mean, you can choose the speed without using your hand to change the position of the belt. Argon Audio is the name of the company, the manufacturer. And here we have the arm, which looks very nice, with skating, with lever here. On the back, we can see here on the back, we have phono stage built in. This is on or off. And we have a button on off for the turntable, the mains, and 12 volts DC input. So we can upgrade the power supply if we like to use a better or a bigger one. And here is the ground. And here we install the dust cover. So we're trying to do the deep unboxing in a turntable. We see the feet here, which is very nice, very elastic, so absorbs a lot. And it's nice thing. There are 4 of these available because one per corner. And now we see the turntable underneath. So we see the base is thick wood. It's not like a frame with an empty wood. It's full. You see, it's nice to have this thick base. Here is the tone arm. We see the treatment here of the grounding. So we have grounding here, grounding there. So it's very well made and very well engineered. Here is the selector of the speed on off. We have the electronics here. as you see, everything is very well designed and very well implemented. This is the phono stage. Let's have the rear, and here is the on-off button. On-off button, and then the shaft, cable, and the motor. So here we are, back to business again. The grounding and the cartridge here. Easy, you see how easy it is to work with this. We put the, as we said, this is the platter, you see how thick it is and heavy. So the belt is here, it's easy to install the belt. And then we put the mat and the turntable is ready. So we adjust the counterweight to 1.8 grams. It's easy, you see it there. Adiscating is there. So the tone arm is a straight one carbon, 8.8 inches, and then you have this angled head shell. And you see the platter, which is 1.4 kilos. You see how nice is applied here. You see no vibrations, nothing, you see, and how thick is the turntable. So we have a nice turntable in front of us and checking it. So here we can adjust the VTA. Company provides the tools. You see the carbon tone arm, the finish, it's very nice. And the cartridge that the turntable is coming is the red orthophone. Very nice cartridge. It's orthophone, you see, pre-installed. We start by putting a record, an LP on the platter, and then just doing this. And we set the cartridge on the vinyl. It's a beauty, this turntable. I like it so far, very impressed. So guys, that was the TT-4 turntable from Argon Audio from Denmark. It's very nice, very well designed, into details. Nothing is left here by accident. Everything is very well engineered. Thanks for watching.